got an eye for sport, he's generally got an eye for coordination, and that's what you need. But along with coordination, you just need a lot of mental agility and awareness.
Really low. The faster and lower the better. Yeah. You know, we can't do a lot of that around England these days. But I did start on jets.
Z Wietnamu, nie? Nagrywasz?
Próbuję.
So there you go, you're feeling the mighty power, sound and impact of just one Huey helicopter, the UH-1H, manufactured by the Bell Helicopter Company in 1972 and purchased by the US Army, where it served in Vietnam until 1973. This aircraft now based very locally by a great bunch of guys, Phil Connolly owning the aircraft, he himself running his own oil pipeline and drilling company. The aircraft in its traditional Army matte green, room for 4 crew and 10 troops. We normally have a pilot, co-pilot, a crew chief and a gunner, capable of speeds up to 120 knots and also carrying the all-important door-mounted 7.62 M60 machine gun.
Now, as he flies over the top, Andy has already spotted blades 1, 2 and 3 and he's going to fly directly towards them and pull up underneath blade 1 smoke for the goose manoeuvre. Blades 2 and 3 are now simultaneously barrel rolling around blade 1 smoke in a manoeuvre we call scimitar. Now we're nearing the end of our display here this afternoon. We've got just one manoeuvre left to go, but we hope that you've enjoyed watching the blades and we hope to see you again soon. If you'd like to keep in touch with the team, you can do so on Twitter at the Blades Team, and you can also find us on Facebook at the Blades Aerobatic Team. So make sure you check us out, keep in touch with us and see what we're up to.
Olco 105 Air Ambulance. Hugely successful design, of course, this, used to transport troops and equipment during the war, as well as limited support, mission capability, ease of maintenance, and very low purchase price, able to find service, and we're an ideal solution. You get up close to this one, you'll not only see just how beautifully restored and maintained it is, but also how huge. Controls. Their history going back to June 1959, and then developing hugely from then on. A total of 4,869 helicopters were lost by US forces in Vietnam. Massive number. Only 1,000 deal now, having really shown you all angles and versatility and agility of the helicopter. He's just now calling for his last pass, and a good opportunity, as you know, as he goes on today home to Blackpool and fight another day and get back on shift with the air ambulances. first aeroplane to break the sound barrier in early October 1967, service with the 94th Fighter Squadron at March Air Force Base in California in April 1949. Actually, just unburned fuel coming out of the packets. Significant, of course, really good example there as the jet flies away from us, that smoke trail.